In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gmail password if forgotten. This walkthrough shows you how to check the password saved on your Android phone using Google's built-in password manager. It's handy if you've previously saved your login and just need to view it again. Remember, your Gmail password is the same as your Google account password, and you'll need access to your phone's screen lock to view it. Start on your phone and open the Settings app. If you don't see it right away, swipe down and tap the gear icon, or use the search bar at the top of Settings to find what you need. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Google. You can scroll to find it or simply type Google in the settings search. Tap it and then choose Manage your Google account to open your account dashboard. Across the top of your Google account, you'll see different tabs. Swipe left or right until you land on Security. This is where Google groups everything related to sign-ins and protections. In the Security section, scroll down until you see Password Manager. Tap Password Manager, then tap Manage Passwords. This opens a list of all the site passwords that your phone has saved under your Google account. Here you'll see entries for different apps and websites. You're looking for the one labeled google.com. It might also show up as accounts.google.com or something similar, but google.com is the entry that stores your Google account password, which is the same one used for Gmail. Tap that entry to open the details. To reveal the password, tap the eye icon or the option that says Show Password. For your security, your phone will likely ask you to confirm your identity using your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. Once you authenticate, the password will be visible on screen. Take a moment to double check it, and if you need to use it somewhere else, copy it carefully. Be mindful of who's around you and avoid showing this on screen in public places. If you don't see a Google entry here, it usually means the password wasn't saved on this device or under this account. In that case, try checking on another device you use, but if it's not saved there either, it simply won't appear. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.